What's the risk of muscle breakdown? Because a lot of time we see patients, even the ones who are not doing heavy exercise, end up in the hospital with something we call rhabdomyolysis or muscle breakdown. So what's the
Right.
risk of rhabdomyolysis during exercise, and especially strenuous exercise, and how do you avoid that?
So, a couple of things that one have to be aware of. Any kind of physical activity cause micro tears in the muscles. So there is always muscle breakdown when we do physical activity. The muscle breakdown release creatine kinase, it releases protein into the circulation, and when the muscle breakdown, it releases potassium into the blood as well. So in terms of short activity, this is all physiologic, and those proteins and enzymes are released into the blood, but the kidneys are able to handle that. But whenever we do sustained long activity, the muscle breakdown is more, and it actually gets worse if the temperature is hot. Body is not able to maintain the core temperature, and body, you get suffer with heat exhaustion, and the activity is more strenuous than you are trained for and used to, and you don't take care of your hydration electrolyte. You put yourself at increased risk of rhabdomyolysis, because as we mentioned earlier and talked about, there's decreased blood flow to the kidney already. So kidney are in a state of stress. They are already being stressed. They are trying to overwork by conserving fluids and electrolytes. And now if they are put at more stress, all the muscle breakdown of this can jeopardize the kidney function. Kidneys can go in and shut down, and that is where the rhabdomyolysis come into place and causes acute kidney injury.